Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. Okay, basically, we are using jugs and mugs to hold the things. We can hold any kind of thing. We can hold solid things, we can hold also a liquid thing, right? But most probably, we are using this containers, jug and mug for holding the liquid thing, right? Basically, ये हम हर रोज़ यूज़ करते हैं. We use jugs for the holding water, right? We fill this jug with the water. Sometimes we also fill the cold drink or any refreshing drink, right? In mugs, we hold the coffee, tea, Bonvita, sometimes juice, right? So most probably, we are using these two things for holding the liquid things, right? इसके अंदर हम liquid things बनाते हैं. कभी as I told you इसमें हम solid चीज़ें भी रखते हैं, like अभी हम mug cakes बनाते हैं, chocolate cake mug में बनाते हैं, तो we are going to use this for that. So most probably, हाँ. Now, if we are not holding the liquid things in a container like jugs and mugs and pot, then it will run all around us. वो हर जगह पे फैल जाएगा, right? तो कोई भी लिक्विड चीज़ को पकड़ के रखने के लिए, होल्ड करने के लिए एक कंटेनर की ज़रूरत होती है. सो वी नीड अ कंटेनर टू होल्ड द लिक्विड थिंग. लिक्विड थिंग मतलब पानी जैसी. See, water, oil, milk, these are liquid thing. Petrol, diesel, right? Kerosene. These are the examples of liquid things, right? जो runny होता है, and to hold that, we need to keep them in a container like jugs and mugs and pots and anything else, right? So, based on that, there is one activity, make and enjoy a lemon drink. For that, we need a half a lemon, a pinch of salt, a 1 spoon of sugar, and 1 glass of water. Okay, we for making lemon drink, we need all these ingredients. Now, how to make it? First of all, take a glass of water, add lemon, add a spoon and sugar, a spoonful of sugar and a pinch of salt, and stir it constantly until the sugar and salt will dissolve in the water, right? So how many drops of lemon juice do you get from the half of a lemon? तो हाफ लेमन में से आपको कितने मिलेंगे ड्रॉप्स? अभी ड्रॉप्स में काउंट करने को बोला है, नॉट अ स्पून. सो दैट वुड बी not easy activity, but you can do it. I think from a lemon you will get the 1 or 2 teaspoon of lime juice, right? 1 से 2 चम्मच जितना lime juice आपको मिल सकता है. So that would be up to you. How many drops of lemon juice do you get from a full lemon? तो यहाँ पे 2 स्पून है, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 4 स्पून. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इसका डबल कर देना है. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ मेनी ड्रॉप्स ऑफ लाइम जूस फील 1 स्पून. तो 1 स्पून में कितने होंगे? So this is the fun activity. So while you are making this, do this and enjoy your lemon drink afterward. So basically यहाँ से आइडिया ये आया कि कोई भी चीज़ लिक्विड चीज़ हम कंटेनर में भरते हैं, तो वो कंटेनर में उसकी कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से ही लिक्विड चीज़ हम भर सकते हैं. इफ़ द कंटेनर हैविंग द कैपेसिटी ऑफ 1 लीटर, तो वी कैन फील इन दैट कंटेनर ओनली 1 लीटर ऑफ लिक्विड. इफ़ वी आर ट्राइंग टू फील मोर देन 1 लीटर ऑफ लिक्विड इन दिस कंटेनर, at that time the liquid will be overflow and it run all around it, वो वेस्ट हो जाएगा. सो कोई भी फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी सॉलिड चीज़ है, तो उसकी हम क्वांटिटी मेजर करते हैं किलोग्राम के हिसाब से, 1 किलोग्राम, 2 किलोग्राम, राइट? तो ये उसका वेट है, उसको हम ऐसे मेजर करते हैं. वैसे ही लिक्विड चीज़ को मेजर करना पड़ता है, तो वी नीड अ कंटेनर. in that container shows the capacity of that particular liquid, right? So this is the way we can measure the liquid thing. We measure the liquid thing using the different container, and different container having different capacity. Okay, it is not necessary कि ये एक छोटा कंटेनर है, ये बहुत छोटा कंटेनर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज a bottle, small bottle of sanitizer. So it has, suppose it has having capacity of 200 ml, right? तो इसमें 200 ml आएगा. Then for example this is a water bottle, this is my water bottle, right? So it has a capacity of 1 liter of water, तो इसमें 1 liter पानी आएगा, right? So this is the way all the container having different capacity. For making 6 glasses of lemon drink, how many lemons will you need it? अगर एक ग्लास के लिए आपको हाफ लेमन चाहिए तो 2 ग्लासेस के लिए फुल, तो 3 ग्लासेस के 6 ग्लासेस के लिए आपको 3 लेमन्स चाहिए, राइट? How many spoons of sugar will you take? Definitely, for 1 glass we need 1 spoon of sugar. For 6 glass we need 6 spoons of sugar. Next, lemon drink stall at village fair. गांव में मेला लगा है, फेयर है, and they are set up a lemon drink store over there. So there is a fair in Chitra's village. Chitra, Nazeem and Anish want to put a stall to sell lemon drink. They make a bucket full of lemon drink and they use 2 different sizes of glasses. One is the bigger one, another one is a smaller one. So Anish got a jug. उसको क्या मिला? एक जग मिला है. And do you think it is easier to pour into a glass from a jug than a bucket? So definitely yes, it is easy to pour lemon drink into a glass from a jug. Now based on that there are some question answer. So look at here. Nazeem found 2 big glasses fill the jug. एक जग को भरने के लिए 2 बड़े ग्लासेस लगते हैं. And Shabnam wants to buy 1 jug full of lemon drink. उसको पूरा एक जग का लेमन ड्रिंक खरीदना है. So how much does she need to pay? तो उसको कितने पैसे पे करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? तो यहाँ पर देखो, there is a price for a bigger glass. There they charges ₹10, and for the smaller glass they charges ₹5. As I told, as they have mentioned, 2 big glass fills the jug. So here she has to pay the price of 2 big glass, which is ₹10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे हो गया 10 plus 10 is equal to ₹20. So how much does she need to pay? She need to pay ₹20. Chitra found that 2 small glasses fill 1 big glass, and how many small glasses of lemon drink will fill the jug? Okay, तो यहाँ पे आंसर 4 आया. कैसे आया? I'm going to show you. 2 small glasses fill the 1 big glass. तो यहाँ पे 1 plus 1, ये 1 big glass हो गया. Then as we all know, in a jug we can fill only 2 big glasses, and another 1 plus 1 is 1. So totally 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 glasses would be filled to complete 1 jug of lemon drink, right? 4 small glasses. Next, how many small glasses will fill half the jug? अगर हाफ जग को फिल करना है तो कितने हमने चाहिए? For that we have to count like this. देखो, we need a 4 small glasses to fill the jug. So उसका half कर देंगे, which is 2 small glasses. We need a 2 small glasses to fill the half the jug. Okay. Now next is fun in filling vessel. Find out how many cups of water will fill your bottle. Okay, एक छोटा कप है, ऐसे कितने कप लगेंगे ये पूरा बॉटल भरने के लिए? Fine. फर्स्ट गेस एंड देन ट्राई इट आउट. आपको गेस करना है, ट्राई करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने सोचा 15 कप्स, राइट. फिर आप ट्राई करके देखो, भर के देखो एक कप से इस बॉटल में कितने कप्स लगते हैं पानी. नाउ फील द डिफरेंट बॉटल विद द सेम कप, विच बॉटल होल्ड लेस वाटर. तो यहाँ पे हम कंपेयर करेंगे. वी हैव टू टेक द अनदर बॉटल विद द अनदर शेप and fill the bottle with the same cup, right, and find out which bottle hold less water. कौन सी बॉटल कम पानी भरती है, मतलब जितने जिसमें लेस नंबर ऑफ कप्स होंगे ना, वो बॉटल कम पानी भरेगी. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ट्राई इट विथ अनदर बॉटल. फिर से एक दूसरे शेप की बॉटल लो एंड डू द सेम एक्टिविटी. विच बॉटल होल्ड द लीस्ट वाटर. अभी ये तीनों की कंपेयर करो कि कौन सी बॉटल कम पानी भरती है. सो दिस इज द फन एक्टिविटी in which you can feel the water in different shape of vessels. Next, on the page number 50, where you will find out this, Sunaina and Jaspreet brought a different vessel from the kitchen. They had a jug, a glass, a mug, a pot and a bowl. They fill each of this with the cup. ये सब कप से भरते हैं पानी. So, based on that, there are some question answer. Guess which vessel hold the least water. Least मतलब सबसे कम. So definitely that would be a bowl. And which vessel holds the most water. Most मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा. So that would be a pot. Now you collect the different vessels from your kitchen and use the same cup to fill each of them. तो हर एक को भरने के लिए ये कप का यूज़ करो. Now count the number of cups of water each of them can hold. Okay, तो आपने यहाँ पे यही सारे आप vessels ले लो, put it over here and find out कितने cups होंगे, वो आपको खुद count करके यहाँ पे लिखना है. This is the self activity. Next is a 51 number page. Here is the comparison. Ring the one which holds the more water. Right? जो सबसे ज़्यादा पानी होता है दोनों में से, उस पर रिंग बनाओ. So I think bucket hold more water than this. Cup and saucer. So cup hold more water than saucer. This pot and this pot. I think this pot will hold more water. This and this, तो this size look bigger, तो ये ज़्यादा पानी भर सकता है. Now turn your page number 52. Okay, we'll do it later on, but before that we will do something in a workbook. Look at the workbook, page number 74, where you will find out the chapter number 7, and there are some understanding portions. So I think we had already discussed, but still I'm going to discuss with you. The maximum amount of a container can hold is the capacity of that container. मतलब जो container में maximum amount का liquid हम भर सकते हैं उसको बोलते हैं capacity of that particular container. The largest unit of capacity is liter. For example, water in a bucket is a 10 liter, 20 liter, depends on the size of the bucket. Milk, हम घर पे milk लेने जाती है मम्मी, right? अमूल का जो पैकेट आता है, तो it is having 500 ml, 100 liter, right? It depends on the size of the packet. इवन दो ऑयल घी भी लीटर्स में आता है मेजर करके, पेट्रोल भी लीटर्स में मेजर होता है. एज वी नो all the liquidish thing would be measured in liter and milliliters. Okay, this is called milliliters. The smallest unit of capacity is the milliliter. It is expressed as ml in the short form and the liter को short form में L करके लिखते हैं, सिर्फ L. For example, milk for baby 100 ml, 200 ml. कफ सिरप होते हैं, सी अपनी कफ सिरप लिक्विड मेडिसिन्स जो आती हैं, दे ऑल आर मेजर इन मिलीलीटर्स. फिर मैंने आपको बोला सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक ऐसे सैनिटाइज़र, ये सब मिलीलीटर में मेजर होते हैं. केचप होता है, medicines in an injection में जो medicines आती है liquid medicine, that would be measured in milliliters because हम 1 ml या 2 ml ड्रॉप्स ही हमारे बॉडी में जाने देते हैं डॉक्टर. and there is an equation 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now, next topic is the equipment for measuring liquid. We are using different equipment for measuring the liquid. See, these things are quite common nowadays, because this would be used by the milkman. जो हम डेयरी पे जाते हैं, राइट, तो अगर वहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा, ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, तो ऐसे वाले कंटेनर्स यूज़ करते हैं फॉर measuring the milk, and this kind of container would be used on a petrol pump. Right, nowadays we are having digital meters, so we don't see this usually, but पहले के टाइम पे ये बहुत यूज़ हुआ करता था when we are not having digital meter. Now look at the next page, page number 75, where you will find out the exercise number 1. For the object below, put a tick for those which can hold more liquid and cross for those which can hold the less liquid in the given box. So cup and glass. Glass holds more, cup holds more, less liquid. Bucket and a tumbler. Tumbler can hold less liquid, and this can hold more liquid. This two bottles, this can hold more and this can hold less. A pitchkari and a jug. Jug can hold more and this can hold less number of water or liquid. This and this bottle holds more, this bottle hold less in liquid. Definitely ये 500 ml है, तो ये ज़्यादा है, and this one holds less. Okay, here is a cold drink bottle, right? So this holds more and this hold less. Again this one and this one, so this holds more and this hold less. A dropper and an ink pot, right? So this holds more, this hold less. So this is it for this session. Next time we will do more in this chapter. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.